Yeah, Joe. Okay, let's begin here. Now, first of all, how do I say post office?
Okay, post office is 邮局.
邮局.
邮 means post.
邮
局 means a subdivision of a governmental department.
局.
邮局.
邮局. So if I wanted to go to a post office, I would just say 邮局在哪儿, right?
Exactly. 邮局在哪儿?
在哪儿 means at where.
And post office is 邮局. So where is the post office should be 邮局在哪儿?
Right. 邮局在哪儿?
请问邮局在哪儿？
就在前面拐角处。
And in China, I see they're all called China Post. So do I pronounce that differently?
It's 中国邮政.
中国邮政.
中国 means China.
中国
邮政 means postal service.
邮政.
中国邮政.
中国邮政. China Post. So once I'm inside, I'm going to want to mail a letter.
You can say 我要寄封信.
我要寄封信.
我 means I.
我
要 means need to do something.
要
寄 means mail.
寄
封 is a measure word of letter. It's short for 一封, which means one.
Right. In English, we just say a letter. 一封
And letter is 信.
信.
我要寄封信.
我要寄封信. I want to mail a letter.
我要寄封信。你知道邮局在哪儿吗？
看到中国邮政几个字了吗？就在前面。
Now, what if I want to send a package to Hong Kong, say?
You can say 我要寄个包裹去香港.
我要寄个包裹去香港。
我 means I.
我
要 means want to.
要
寄 means mail.
寄.
个 is short for 一个, which means one.
Right, and 个 is a measure word for package.
Yes, package in Chinese is 包裹.
包裹
去 means to.
去
香港 Hong Kong.
香港。
我要寄个包裹去香港.
我要寄个包裹去香港. I want to send a package to Hong Kong.
我要寄个包裹，
寄到哪儿？
寄到香港。
Instead of remembering all this, maybe I should just email my letter, yeah, Jim?
But then you wouldn't get any practice.
Ah, very true. All right, let's get to our question of the day.
Okay.
How do you say post office in Chinese?